Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Hey, how you doing, man? I'm Jacob.
How's it going?
Good. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick, man?
Yeah, my name's Alex. It's 4 XV312s on 2 salt 8Ks.
2 of the 8Ks?
Yeah, 2 8Ks.
Okay.
8Ks.
Nice.
Yep.
Have you done any kind of SPL test on it?
Nope, it just got done on Thursday.
Okay.
Yesterday morning. And
So you just finished work in progress. Okay.
Yeah, well, port still has to be finalized.
Nice.
But
So it's a 6th order?
yep, 6th order. Rear port is around 1920, and front port, like I said, we just got it planned.
Okay.
So.
All right. And now the amplifiers, what are you wired to?
0.7, so they're the dual 0.7s that
Okay.
Sundown offers.
Yep. All right.
I have atrocious ground loop, so.
It's okay. And do you have an upgraded alternator?
Yeah, Brand X 320, 95 amp hour C-Max, Windy Nation,
All right.
1-aught running through the car.
Okay. I like that. That's a pretty cool
Let's
little.
see if it wants to go.
You got equalizer in your head unit.
Yeah.
Carry on, so you don't have vibration issues. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Lumix-Monster. All right.
Yeah, we're still playing with the front port, so we don't know how low it's really gonna
Yes,
go
sir.
yet. We're trying to build for subsonic and everything like that.
Okay. Very nice. Is a upgraded alternator I can see under the hood real quick?
Yeah.
Like to see everything. Nice.
That door sticks a little bit.
Yep. And probably from the flex.
Oh shit, that's a lot more.
Yeah. Hey, bass head issues. Everybody give them a light.
Oh.
It was locked. I was gonna say.
It's got the PCM bypass, so I just put a Chevy 4-pin regulator on it.
Okay. Appreciate it, man.
Yep.
Thank you. Sorry. Got to do a handshake at the end. Thanks, man. Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. Awesome. That's a good song. What was that? That's a pretty cool song.
Logan redid it.
I like that. That's a pretty cool
Let's
little.
see if it wants to go.
You got equalizer in your head unit.
Yeah.
Carry on, so you don't have vibration issues. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Lumix-Monster. All right. 23 hertz. That's how low that was. That was pretty low frequency.
Yeah, we're still playing with the front port, so we don't know how low it's really gonna go yet. We're trying to build it for subsonic and everything like that.
Okay. Very nice. I appreciate the demo, man. What was your name?
No problem. Alex.
Alex. Thank you, Alex.
No problem, buddy.
Hey, basshead issues. Everybody give him a like. Great demo.
Oh.
It was locked. You have a good night, man.
You too. Make sure you go see